Hey guys, today we're back with another video. So we are just out riding my Freezy. Oh my gosh, not Freezy, Fjord. And so I'm in Cape West Fishing Village. I don't really know what to do because I've literally done all my quests. I have nothing in my quest log. Um, hold hold on, guys. After that, I'm filming right now. Say hi to the cam. Okay, well, so I'm just riding my beautiful fjord. Riding it through. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Like, literally, sometimes Sarah drives me crazy. She just literally drives me crazy sometimes. She just she, she just drives me crazy. Okay. I feel like we should do some fishing. Cause I wonder what will happen. Oh my god, oh my god. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, Sarah is not allowed to go into Cape West yet. She's only level. Wait, what? Guys, I never knew that Sarah could come into Golden Hills Valley. Um, okay. So let's just talk to. Oh, perch. Oh my god. You don't need to come just for fame. Like, literally, Sarah is like, she drives me nuts. She drives me absolutely nuts. Maybe you don't decide what I do. Maybe you don't decide what I do. Oh my god. Maybe you don't decide what I do. Oh my gosh. She is so annoying. Like, literally, I can't take her sometimes. Just sometimes I cannot take it. Like, Sarah is just I can't explain it. Oh my gosh. So I just yeah. Let's go do our fishing. Let's go do our fishing. Okay, let's. Oh. Oop, oop, oop. Oh, we can't bring our horse into the area? Are you kidding me? I'd love to fish with my horse. Oop, dang it, a little too soon. Dang it, the fish got away. Oh my god. Sometimes, well, the fish got away again. Oh my gosh. What? How is the fish getting away? This does not make any sense. The bobber is over here, but then the line is over here. Come on, fish. She fell, and now she's back with Starshine. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you were a little too slow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What, how? Why is the fish getting away? Oh my gosh. I like hate fishing in this game. Oh my god. Jeez. On Noble? Why is the fish getting away? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these fish are just. Ugh. Okay, finally. Oh my god, my dog is outside and like I can't concentrate. Okay, there we go. Okay, hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god, it's already full break for her? Okay. Well, that was it for today, guys. Okay, jeez, I am so. I didn't mean to record. Oh my god, I didn't mean to record. Oh my gosh, sorry, guys.